Hello, this is Maciej Rączka from MemoQ. The intention of this course is to give you an introduction to project templates and workflow automation in MemoQ. This video is the first part of the course, and in a few minutes I will introduce you to project templates. The second video deals with writing down your process. The idea here is that you write down clearly what is your process, together with your colleagues revise it, and figure out which of its parts can be automated. The third video deals with naming conventions. This is a particularly important part of the course as naming conventions are the key to being able to reuse resources effectively. The fourth and fifth videos deal with creating the project template. The fourth deals with using naming conventions for resources such as the translation memories. The fifth deals with workflow automation. The sixth video puts it all together and shows how your project template works in practice. Project templates are a set of resources in MemoQ which allow you to decide how a project is set up and create a template for creating projects, resource reuse, and workflow automation. I'm going to quickly show you how I can use a project template to create a project. When I open MemoQ and go to MemoQ New Project in the menu, I get the options to create an online or local project using a template and the option to do the same without a template. I'm going to choose to create an online project using project templates. After I select this, all I need to do is add files. I then go to the next screen in the wizard and I firstly select the template, Workflow Tutorial. I enter the client's name from a drop-down list. In this tutorial, we will be using a case study where we are working in an enterprise and providing translation to other departments in the company. In the client drop-down list, I can select one of the departments. I also select the domain from a drop-down list and type in the subject. You can see how the project name is being created from these values as I do this. The languages have been set as English to French and German in the template, so I do not have to touch this. When I click Finish, MemoQ will create the project. You can see here that MemoQ has added the files I uploaded to be translated from English to French and from English to German. You can also see that MemoQ has automatically created the resources I specified and added other reference translation memories. MemoQ has also pre-translated the file and done a project analysis, and when I select Launch Project, it will assign the document to the relevant translator. We will be using this template throughout the tutorial, and I will show you later how to create and use project templates. During the tutorial, we will be taking a workflow such as this. We will automate the steps we can and use this to produce an optimized translation process. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I look forward to talking with you later.